guys, welcome to my channel. Finally, I was able to film this look. I was able to use all the product that I just tried on for the first time, and hopefully you will like, share, and subscribe, and hopefully you like it. It's been a while since I filmed a makeup video, and I took off the falsie because I'm really not used to that. I'm gonna tell you which product I like and not. I like the brow pen. The powder one is okay, but I still love my Wet n Wild. I love the blush so much, and the only thing that I didn't like is the powder that I use. See, it made my skin so shiny because it's not a translucent powder. It's like a shimmer powder. So I think it's okay as a highlight, but I didn't know that it was like that. So I messed it up a little bit. But just continue to watch the video and see how I did this look. And see you again in a while. Bye. Hello guys, I'll be using all the makeup that I haven't tried before. Um, I saw that NYX and decided not to use it because I need to sharpen it, so forget it. I'm trying the Almay for the first time using that brush that I got from a sale, like a makeup blowout sale. And the brush is good. And the Almay foundation, I'm surprised that it's really good. I have to mix it with the Revlon Candid one because it's too dark for me. I don't know if it's the Almay or the combination of both, but it's really good. It's very natural, and the brush blend the foundation seamlessly. I didn't even use any concealer, yet it, it gave me the coverage that I wanted. See, I was really surprised. I love the brush, the foundation, and everything. Still have enough on my hand, so I have to wipe that. And then the brushes I'll be using is from BH Cosmetic, I mean BH Cosmetics. That Revlon I thought was too dark for me. I thought I could use it as a bronzer, but no, it's okay. It's not too dark to be a bronzer, so I didn't even realize it's a cream powder to finish, so that's also good news, but not too dark to be a bronzer. So I just blended it. I want to try the powder that I got from the makeup blowout sale, but it's by She, and it says loose powder, but I got a pearl luminizer. I thought it was translucent, so that didn't look good at all. See, it's too shimmery. I mean, maybe you could use it as a highlighter if you're going on a Halloween party, but not on everyday look, see? Maybe if you want to highlight some part of your face, that's okay, but not an overall loose powder. So I decided to use the one I got from W7 Banana Dreams in the shade, I think that's called Banana, and that one is okay. That one works out well. But I still love my Revlon, my Wet n Wild Photo Focus. That's the best loose powder I've ever tried, and very affordable. But this one is not bad. I have a hard time opening up the sticker. I didn't use a lot. The coverage is fine. It's not gonna change the color of your foundation. So that's good news. And I use this eyebrow pen my son got me from Amazon because I only want to try the powder, eyebrow powder and some eyebrow pen. So since I don't have a full brow, I have to draw the outline at the end part of my brow. And then I use that the powder thing I got from I'm not sure if it's Marshalls or TJ Maxx, but it's number 2. It's by Romantic Beauty. And the brow pen that I use is called Rude. That's the brand. The powder is okay. Maybe I'm just used to my Wet n Wild, but it's not a bad product. That one I already tried it when I bought it, so that one I'm really smiling because I'm already smiling because I know it's good. I just love that one so much. But the pencil is darker than the eyebrow powder, so that's giving. And then I never tried any beauty bakery product, and I'm happy about that. But the main eyeshadow I got is the one I got from Marshalls, and it's less than $5. It's not a bad product, but it's not the best. It's workable and buildable, so it's okay. And there's no shade name. I don't think there's a shade name. They're the same brand. Still, I'm using the BH Cosmetic brush. I'm putting that cream shade all over my lid. And it's very, very pigmented, so I love that one. See, I didn't even use any primer. I really hate that powder that I use on my face, the She one, because see, my skin is reflecting, look like Edward from Twilight. And the next shade I use it all over my middle lid, not all over up to the brow, but the crease, below the crease. And then I'm using this, it's like a maroon. Like I thought it's a brown shade, but it looks maroon. But it's okay. It's been a while since I did makeup. I don't even wear makeup every day, even outside YouTube. So I'm still getting used to it again. And I need to practice more. And I'm using that Revlon cream shadow. It's like a bronzy color. I'm only gonna put it on the middle part, my eyelid. And then I'm gonna top it with the same shade of powder shadow from that palette from Marshalls. See? That gold color is very, very beautiful. This is how I do my makeup. I build it up. I don't really put too much because I don't want to be a walking advertisement for makeup. I still want to look like myself. It's not like I have photo shoot or something, so even if I wear colorful makeup, I want it to be wearable. And that shade from Beauty Bakery is very pigmented. See, I was pleasantly surprised and I love it. And I use it on my lower eye. And then I'm gonna use that cream elf I got from Walmart just to brighten up the eye look. It's very, very tiny. I forgot I have the Stila one, but I couldn't find it, so maybe I'll use it next time. I already prepped my skin before I did this makeup. I put a Korean mask and use a foaming Korean cream face cleanser. And that's why the makeup looks good because my skin is prepped. And that eyeliner is by Flower Beauty. I like it a lot. It's very thin. It's not hard to put a thin line. See? I didn't do a cat eye. I just do a simple eyeliner. And then I use this, I think it's by LA Girl Lip Off Mascara. I don't like it at all. Maybe I didn't curl my lash that good, that's why, but still, I've seen better mascara than that. It's not that bad, but for first impression, I don't like it. And then I use that Makeup Revolution bronzer. It worked out fine, but it's not the shade that I really like. But it's workable, it's okay, it's less than $5. I didn't put a lot because I'm not going anywhere anyway. Then I was hesitant to use that false lashes because I'm not really used to false lashes. But I need to since the mascara is not nice. The wand is okay, it's workable, but it's too small for me. Like it takes me longer than usual because the wand is so short. But it's okay. It's good for bottom lashes. But it's not getting a lot of product, that's why, see? I will never change my Maybelline, the one I've been using since I was in high school. Or the Essence mascara, see? I'm not really impressed by that. I just kept the eye look simple. And that blush by Florence is called Gorgeous Gia. I love that so much. I'm so happy that my son bought me another one, same shade. Because I just love that shade so much. It's even better without any eye makeup. Just the blush alone on your skin is so good. Love it. Highly recommend. It's by Florence. See, now I'm wearing the eyelashes and I'm not really used to it. I feel like I look like a goat. Anyway, I've tried that NYX lipstick, but it's too pink for me. So I top it with my favorite nude lipstick. I just look at my last haulage. I have the shade name on that. And then I use that facial mist from Marshall. And here I am with the wig I got from Shane that I forgot to show you last time. So I hope you like this makeup, and I feel like the shade of the wig doesn't look good on my complexion. But anyway, hope you like it. Bye. Peace out.